What are the advantages of light magnesium oxide ball press? 1. The material extrusion effect is good, high pelleting rate, high pelleting strength. 2. The roller surface is made of synthetic manganese steel material, which has good use effect, long service life, and wide selection, range of roller diameter. The light magnesium oxide ball press can also design the roller diameter and the whole machine power according to customer needs. Of high speed, improve the yield. 6. The light magnesium oxide powder in the dust collector bin is transported to the equipment storage bin by pipeline transportation. Closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.